Let us start the program. And let me just give a quick introduction about ourselves and those who are here and those people who are joining. There's some more people are joining. Let me wait for 2-3 more minutes. Devangji, welcome to this program.
नमस्कार आत्मानमन सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
आपको भी आत्मा नमन, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आने के लिए.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, let me start this program. Because there is a very important meditation. अगर सब लोग एक साथ आ जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा. We can enjoy this meditation a lot. Vidutji, who is a wonderful Lama Pera teacher and healer, he's already with us. Chandrasekhar ji, welcome to this program. Kasha ji, namaskar, welcome to this program. Okay, let me start this. Whoever has joined, let me start with this. So we are here at the moment in this Lama Pera healing workshop today, 14th of August, and this program is organized by Source Group, and it is going to be presented by Shri Vidyut Jatia ji, who is a wonderful Lama Pera master teacher and healer. So let me just give a quick introduction about our team, what we are doing. So we are Source Group. So what we believe is that Source is the source of everything. So हम ये बिलीव करते हैं कि source is the source of everything, meaning source is the source of love, source is the source of forgiveness, source is the source of healing, source is the source of money and finance, and source is the source of relationship. Now आप लोग यहाँ पे आए हो, इस वर्कशॉप में आए हो, कुछ आप लोगों का इंटेंशन हो सकता है. Maybe you have some kind of struggles or challenges. Maybe you are looking for a healing solutions. तो healing कहाँ से आती है basically? The healing comes from different vibrational frequencies which are all across ourselves. इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है हमारे चारों ओर डिवाइन हीलिंग हैंड्स फ्रीक्वेंसी है, दाओ फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैं. ऑल्सो हमारे जो सोल पावर है, सोल के अंदर बहुत बड़ी फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ हीलिंग एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग योर लाइफ. सिमिलरली जो सोल जितना हाई लेवल का है इस दुनिया के अंदर, हाई उनके पास हाई लेवल की फ्रीक्वेंसी है. फॉर एग्जांपल द सोल ऑफ द एनलाइटेंड बीइंग, दिस हीलिंग आल्सो कम्स, हीलिंग एनर्जीज कम्स फ्रॉम एनलाइटेंड बीइंग. जब आप किसी एनलाइटेंड बीइंग को प्रे करते हैं, किसी हायर बीइंग को प्रे करते हैं, तो उनसे भी हमारी जिंदगी में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आता है, उनसे भी हमारी जिंदगी में हीलिंग आती है. सो एक इसी तरह का हीलिंग टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट. इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए लामा फेरा हीलिंग. इट्स अ वेरी एडवांस प्रोसेस, बहुत फास्ट हीलिंग है. और ये जो करवा रहे हैं वो है विद्युत जतिया जी. आज मैंने बताया ही इज अ वंडरफुल लामा फेरा मास्टर टीचर एंड हीलर. विद्युत जतिया जी इज ऑल्सो अ pranic healer, and he is also a holistic healer, and he provides counseling to people अपने different programs के साथ. तो वो बहुत सारे programs लेते हैं and बहुत सारे guided meditation है. तो आज का ये कार्यक्रम is a wonderful program. I request you, आप लोग यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, something has guided you to come over here. Just keep yourself relaxed as much as possible, and जितने भी distractions है उसको थोड़ा अपने से दूर दूर ले जाइए. And विद्युत जी आपको कुछ guidance देंगे. Just follow through this guidance and enjoy this wonderful Lama Filler program. So I now handing you over to Vidyut ji. Please welcome Vidyut Jatia ji. Sir, over to you, and you take over. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Satya ji. I am really very thankful to the entire team of the Source Group for having taken this initiative to spread this unique healing technique, Lama Fera. We have to take it far and wide for the betterment of society and humanity. I'm thankful to the entire team once again, especially Satya ji and Shrikant ji. Once again, I welcome you on this Saturday afternoon to this amazing session of Lama Fera. I am Vidyut Jatia. I am based in Chennai, and my other introductions have already been done by Satya ji. Thank you for the good introduction. So let us start today's session with the very powerful and trance-generating Lama Fera meditation. आज का सेशन हम एक मेडिटेशन से शुरू करेंगे. It will not only tell you how Lama Fera came into existence, but you will also be transported or teleported to another world. आप एक अलग दुनिया में पहुंच जाएंगे इस मेडिटेशन को सुन के. ये बहुत ही शक्तिशाली मेडिटेशन. It will remove deep-rooted blockages. गहरी रुकावटें और मुश्किलों को दूर करेगा यह ध्यान from your energy field, आपकी ऊर्जा क्षेत्र से. It is a channel meditation and directly the Buddha energy is involved. बुद्ध भगवान की शक्ति, उनका एनर्जी इन्वॉल्व है इसमें. अब आप लोग मेरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस को प्लीज फॉलो करिए. Follow my words, which are the channeling words. Surrender yourself completely for the highest good and maximum benefits. अपने आप को भगवान बुद्ध के चरणों में समर्पित कर दीजिए. सब कुछ सरेंडर कर दीजिए. आप बहुत रोल्स प्ले करते हैं एवरी डे. फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, ऑफिस गोअर, a student maybe, and every day, every minute you live as a role for somebody else. But what about you? खुद के बारे में क्या आप अपने बारे में अपने लिए कुछ करते हैं? तो यह वक्त अभी से लेके 1-1.5 घंटा we should think only of ourselves. We should think only about our soul journey. Please surrender all your problems, all your stress, worries, tension. Take it off your shoulders and put it on Lord Buddha's feet. And then just see magic happen in your life. For the highest good, please surrender yourself completely. This meditation can also clear the karma of your past lives and your current life. And then you can imagine, if you learn Lama Fera healing, what you can achieve. So please stay till the very end of this presentation, where after the meditation, we will tell you how we teach Lama Fera so that you can also become a healer, which anyone, any uneducated young person can also learn Lama Fera. It is so simple, but its power is beyond words. So please, you have to close your eyes. You should not be doing anything physical. आप कहीं बाहर नहीं होना चाहिए, आप गाड़ी नहीं चलाना चाहिए, आप रोड पे बाइक या साइकिल में नहीं होने चाहिए. आप या तो बैठे हुए हैं या आप अगर घर पे हैं या जहां आप लेट सकते हैं, प्लीज लाई डाउन ऑन योर बैक. आप लेट जाइए अपने पीठ के बल. बोथ द लेग्स स्ट्रेट, दोनों पांव सीधे रखिएगा और दोनों हाथ लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड्स में रखिएगा और दोनों पख्थली खुला रखिएगा, जैसे कि आप भगवान बुद्ध से उनका आशीर्वाद मांग रहे हैं. Please lie down straight on your back with the feet extended straight and your left and right hand on your side, palms facing the ceiling, as if you're asking Lord Buddha for his mercy and blessings. If you are sitting, please sit on the chair with the feet touching the ground. अगर आप बैठे हैं तो आपके पांव चरण धरती को छूना चाहिए और वैसे ही दोनों हाथ या तो आप थाइस पे रख सकते हैं या on the sides of your legs. Again, the palms open, facing the ceiling, asking for Buddha's blessings. Please close your eyes. Remember, you are not here by chance. Lord Buddha wanted you to be here. आप यहाँ पर अचानक नहीं आए हैं, आपको भगवान बुद्ध यहाँ लेके आए हैं. Lord Buddha chose you especially among lakhs and lakhs of people. It is not a coincidence. There is a reason, a purpose behind it. आपका यहाँ आना एक मकसद के लिए है, कुछ बड़ा करने के लिए है, और इससे सिर्फ आपका ही जीवन नहीं, आपके आसपास के सभी लोगों का जीवन completely change हो सकता है. And as per some gurus, the time has come for Lama Fera to spread its wings far and wide. And Lord Buddha wants you all to join hands with me and the Source Group in spreading this Buddhist healing technique to every corner of the world. आइए साथ मिलके मेरे और सोर्स ग्रुप के इस लामा फेरा तकनीक को दुनिया के हर कोने तक पहुंचाइए। चलिए मिलके इतिहास रचते हैं। लेट्स क्रिएट हिस्ट्री टुगेदर। जैसा कि मैंने कहा, अब आप या तो बैठे हुए हैं, आंख बंद है, दोनों हाथ साइड में हैं, या आप लेटे हुए हैं तो दोनों हाथ साइड में है, पांव सीधा है। Breathe in through your nose to the count of 6. Hold 3. Exhale from your mouth 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 3. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 3. Inhale. Continue this process with your closed eyes. See with your inner eyes that it is a full moon night. The moon is shining brightly. चांद चमक रहा है, एकदम सफेद, absolutely white. It's a very important night. यह एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रात है, क्योंकि आज प्रकृति और इंसानियत का मिलन होने वाला है, because it's the meeting of nature and mankind. By the confluence of these two, इन दोनों के मिलन से एक तीसरी शक्ति, a third power, will be generated, which will remove the darkness and ignorance from this universe. जो इस धरती से, पूरे ब्रह्मांड से अज्ञानता और अंधकार का नाश करेगा। जैसे कि हमेशा होता है, whenever we try to do something good, the bad people come to stop it. The same way, the devils, Rakshas, सारे universe के, they do not want the birth of this third power. So they have decided to attack mankind and nature. राक्षस आक्रमण कर देते हैं इंसानियत और प्रकृति पर। The meeting and the merging of mankind and nature is going on in the meantime. यह मिलन इंसानियत और प्रकृति का चालू है। रात बीतती जा रही है। The hours are passing by. While the confluence is on, all the devilish power, सारे राक्षस गण, सारी नकारात्मक ऊर्जा, all the negative energy, and all the darkness, अंधेरा, and all the ignorance, अज्ञानता, आ चुका है, has come to attack mankind and nature. By the friction of this merging of mankind and nature, one star which can fly in the air takes birth. इन दोनों के मिलन से एक सितारा जो कि हवा में उड़ सकता है, उसका जन्म होता है। This star is bright and luminous. यह सितारा चमकदार और प्रकाशमान है। यह सूर्य से भी ज्यादा ताकतवर है। As soon as the star is born, it starts going all around mankind and nature. जैसे ही इस सितारे का जन्म होता है, वह इंसानियत और प्रकृति के चारों ओर घूमने लगता है। From head to toe, and again from toe to head in an anti-clockwise direction. As it is going around mankind and nature, a very powerful boundary, जैसे वो इंसानियत और प्रकृति के चारों ओर जा रहा है, एक बहुत ही मजबूत सीमा, या कहिए कि लक्ष्मण रेखा, एक बहुत ही मजबूत रेखा रोशनी का, ब्राइट लाइट का बनता चला जा रहा है। यह रेखा, this boundary is impenetrable, अभेद है, and strong है, बहुत ही मजबूत है। कोई भी इसके अंदर नहीं घुस सकता है। No negativity can enter through it. No darkness can enter through it. Now, the evil and the dark forces are attacking this star. सारी बुरी शक्तियां इस सितारे को अटैक कर रहे हैं, आक्रमण कर रहे हैं. There is a duel, द्वंद्व हो रहा है इन दोनों साइड्स में. But the star is very very powerful. लेकिन यह सितारा बहुत ही शक्तिशाली है. वो बढ़ता चला जाता है साइज में, बड़ा और बड़ा. And it is killing and destroying all the negative and dark forces. और वो नाश कर देता है इन सभी बुरी ताकतों का. The night has passed by and it is dawn now. रात बीत चुकी है और सवेरा हो गया है. Mankind and nature recall what all happened the previous night, and when they see the star in front of them, they bless it. इंसानियत और प्रकृति याद कर लेते हैं कि बीती हुए रात में क्या हुआ था, और जब वह इस सितारे को अपने सामने देखते हैं तो वे उसे आशीर्वाद देते हैं. They say that since you gave us respect by going around us just after your birth, you will henceforth be known as फेरा. क्योंकि तुमने जन्म लेते ही हमारी परिक्रमा किया, इसलिए हम तुम्हें आशीर्वाद देते हैं और आज से तुम्हारा नाम होगा फेरा. And within you the knowledge, ज्ञान, secret, रहस्य and truth, सच्चाई of this entire universe will be established. Whenever anyone invokes you, जब भी कोई तुम्हारा आवाहन करेगा, सच्चे दिल से याद करेगा, बुलाएगा, they will also get this nectar of knowledge. उन्हें भी इस ज्ञान के अमृत का लाभ होगा. Then mankind and nature give instructions to the star to go to Mother Earth, where Siddharth Gautam is doing penance. फिर इंसानियत और प्रकृति आदेश देते हैं इस सितारे को कि जाओ, तुम धरती पे जाओ जहां सिद्धार्थ गौतम तपस्या कर रहे हैं. They advise it to meet Siddharth Gautam and pass on this nectar to him. वे सितारा से कहते हैं, तारा से कहते हैं कि जाओ गौतम बुद्ध को यह ज्ञान का गिफ्ट पास ऑन करो, उन्हें यह अमृत प्रदान करो. और उस वक्त से from that time onwards he will use it. वो इस्तेमाल करेंगे इस विजडम का, इस ज्ञान का पूरी दुनिया में फैलाने के लिए. The Phera comes down to Mother Earth and goes to the spot where Siddharth Gautam is in deep penance. फेरा धरती पे आके वह जगह पहुंचता है जहां सिद्धार्थ गौतम ध्यान में लीन है. फेरा उन्हें पूरी कहानी बताता है. Now Siddharth Gautam starts writing everything. Phera tells him the whole story and Siddharth Gautam starts writing the whole story. वो लिखते चले जा रहे हैं. He keeps on writing this universal truth, सर्वभौमिक सत्य, रहस्य और ज्ञान, secret and knowledge. परंतु यह पूरी धरती माँ छोटी पड़ती है. Size of the earth is not enough to complete this writing. All the oceans, all the land, all the planets, सारे समुद्र, सारा जमीन, सारी धरती, सारे ग्रह मंडल, the entire universe, पूरा ब्रह्मांड के पास इतना जगह नहीं है कि गौतम बुद्ध अपनी दिखावट खत्म कर सके. The entire universe does not have enough space to complete writing the entire truth. So Gautam Buddha thinks of a plan, a tarkib, that this entire truth and knowledge and secret of the universe be represented by symbols. वह यह तरकीब निकालते हैं कि इस सच्चाई, ज्ञान और रहस्य को अंकों के द्वारा, सांकेतिक रूप से, सिंबल्स के द्वारा दिखाया जाए. And he draws these symbols. वो ये प्रतीक ड्रॉ करते हैं एक पत्थर पे, on a stone, which turns into gold, जो कि सोना बन जाता है. यह स्टोन चमकने लगता है. Seeing this, the mankind and nature also come down to earth. जब ऊपर से वे देखते हैं कि यह पत्थर भी सोने का हो गया है, तब इंसानियत और प्रकृति भी नीचे आते हैं और सिद्धार्थ गौतम को यह ब्लेसिंग देते हैं कि you have become enlightened. इस ब्रह्मांड के सत्य, ज्ञान और रहस्य का तुम्हें पता चल गया है, इसलिए तुम आज से बुद्ध कहलाए जाओगे, the enlightened one, the awakened one. And whenever anyone invokes Buddha and Fera, they will also be blessed with this knowledge and truth. और जब भी कोई बुद्ध और फेरा का आवाहन करेगा, उसे भी इस सत्य और ज्ञान का नॉलेज मिलेगा. Buddha then passes on this knowledge to his disciples. Then Buddha and his disciples, बुद्ध भगवान और चेले पूरी मानवता का सहायता करने लगते हैं. They start helping mankind, giving salvation, मोक्ष दे देते हैं जो इस लायक है. Slowly, the disciples were being called as lamas, and that is how Lama Phera came into existence. धीरे धीरे बुद्ध भगवान के चेले लामा कहलाने लगे और इसी तरह लामा फेरा का जन्म हुआ. Whoever learns Lama Phera, his or her deep-rooted blockages will get dissolved. जो भी यह लामा फेरा सीखेगा, उसके गहरी रुकावटें और मुश्किलें दूर हो जाएंगी और उसके जीवन में नई खुशी, नए उल्लास, नए राह, नया सक्सेस, पीस भर जाएगा. Now it is our turn to invoke Buddha and Fera. Your eyes are already closed. Look at yourself with your inner eyes. अपने आप को आप देखिए बंद आंखों से, मन की आंखों से. देखिए कि आप सो रहे हैं और फेरा is standing next to your feet. फेरा आपके चरणों के पास है. और who is next to your head? आपके सर के पास कौन है? साक्षात बुद्ध भगवान, बुद्धा himself. There is a powerful light and energy. एक मजबूत रोशनी और ऊर्जा बुद्ध भगवान के हाथों से निकल रहा है, emanating from Buddha's hands. This light is touching your crown chakra, it is touching your Sahasrara chakra, and then third eye, Ajna. And Buddha is advising you that this truth, secret, and knowledge of this entire Brahmand, which you already knew, तुम्हें पता था, but अज्ञानतावश तुम उसे भूल चुके हो. Due to ignorance, you have forgotten it. मैं वापस से तुम्हारे हृदय में इसे स्थापित करता हूँ. I am re-establishing it in your heart chakra. आओ मेरे साथ, come with me. And then Buddha starts going around your body in an anti-clockwise direction. वो आपके शरीर के चारों ओर घूमने लगते हैं anti-clockwise direction में. आपके सर से लेके पांव तक राइट साइड में, फिर घूम के वापस से लेफ्ट साइड के पांव से लेके सर तक. इस फर्स्ट राउंड और पहला फेरा खत्म होता है. यह आपके पिछले जन्म के लिए था. This was for your past life. Whatever wrong deeds, पाप, अगर आपने कुछ किया है पिछले जन्मों में जिसका आपको आज ज्ञात नहीं है, you do not know what sins you have done in your past births. This round, this फेरा will help to clear those negative karma. यह उस नेगेटिव कर्मा को दूर करेगा, नकारात्मक ये बुरा कर्म को माफ करेगा. दूसरा फेरा वापस से एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, एंड दिस विल हेल्प योर प्रेजेंट लाइफ. दूसरा फेरा आपके इस जीवन को सहायता देगा, इस जीवन के गलतियों को माफ करेगा, इस जीवन के पाप का नाश करेगा. देखिए बंद आंखों से, बुद्धा इज गोइंग अराउंड योर बॉडी एंड वो वापस से आपके सर तक पहुंच गए हैं. Now he will take the last half round from your head right downwards till he reaches your feet. This is for the truth, secret, and knowledge. At the bottom of the feet is the star called Fera. जैसे कि पहले कहा था, फेरा वह सितारा, वह तारा आपके चरणों के पास है. बुद्ध भगवान उठा लेते हैं इस फेरा को. He slips the Fera in his hands. देखिए, brilliant and scintillating light, चमकदार और रोशनी भरा इस सितारा को भगवान बुद्ध के हाथों में देखिए. See it in the hands of Lord Buddha. He is taking it between your legs to your root chakra. वह आपके पांव के बीच से रूट चक्रा, फिर आपके स्वादिष्ठान चक्रा, सीक्रल चक्रा, सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्रा, मणिपुर पियर्स करते हुए, चीरते हुए वह फेरा को वापस से आपके हार्ट चक्रा अनाहत चक्रा में एस्टैब्लिश कर देता है, स्थापित कर देता है. Inside your heart, you are feeling as if thousands of candles and diyas are lighted up. आपको क्या महसूस हो रहा है कि आपके हृदय में लाखों चमकदार दिए और मोमबत्ती जल रहे हैं. महसूस करिए इस ऊर्जा को, इस शक्ति को, इस पावर को, इस वाइब्रेशन को महसूस करिए. प्लीज फील इट, एंजॉय इट, फील इट, फील इट. See that you have also become a part of our Lama Fera movement. देखिए आप भी हमारे इस गति से, इस मूवमेंट से, लामा फेरा मूवमेंट से जुड़ चुके हैं. To spread it to every corner of the world. My mission is to have at least one Lama Fera healer in every household. मेरी मकसद है, मेरी चाह है, मेरी प्रार्थना है कि कम से कम हर एक घर में एक, कम से कम एक लामा फेरा हीलर तो जरूर बने. एंड देखिए आपने इस मूवमेंट का हिस्सा बन गया है. एंड यू आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट डीड बाय स्प्रेडिंग लामा फेरा फार एंड वाइड. अब फेरा की शक्ति को धन्यवाद करिए. नाउ थैंक द फेरा एनर्जी. बुद्धा, mankind and nature are now blessing you that whenever with a genuine heart and honesty for the noble deed you will remember them. And also when you want to do your own healing or someone else's healing, अगर आप हीलिंग देना चाहते हैं खुद को या किसी और को, तब भगवान बुद्ध और फेरा जरूर आएंगे आपकी सहायता करने. बुद्ध एंड फेरा will definitely come to help you. You will be blessed with happiness. आपको भगवान से सुख, धन, संपत्ति, समृद्धि, स्वास्थ्य सब कुछ मिलेगा, भरपूर मिलेगा. You will be blessed with happiness, wealth, prosperity, good health, मन की शांति, peace of mind, नाम और शोहरत, name and fame. अब कृतज्ञता दिखाइए इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड को और इस ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति को. Deep gratitude to the universe and to the universal energy. Relax, relax करिए. Please stay in this position as long as you want to stay. आप बैठे हुए हैं या लेटे हुए हैं, आराम से उसी स्थिति में रहिए और एंजॉय करिए इस शक्ति को, इस रोशनी को. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू गेट अप, जब आप तैयार हैं, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, जब आप उठना चाहते हैं तो दोनों हाथों को रब करके, रब बोथ योर हैंड्स एंड पुट इट ओवर योर आईज. अपने आंखों के ऊपर रखिए. फिर वापस से रब बोथ योर हैंड्स एंड पुट इट ऑन योर नेवल. आपके नाभि पे उस ऊर्जा भरे हाथ को रखिए. अगेन रब इट एंड पुट इट एट द बॉटम ऑफ योर स्पाइन, जहाँ रूट चक्र है. हमारे पीठ के नीचे में रूट चक्र जहाँ है, मूलधारा चक्र जहाँ है, वहां पे हाथों को छूइए और महसूस करिए आपका पूरा शरीर इस शक्ति, इस वाइब्रेशन से भर चुका है. आप धीरे धीरे अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर नियर बाय, प्लीज हैव अ सिप. पानी पी लीजिए अगर आपके पास है. आराम से उठिएगा, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. महसूस करिए, एंजॉय करिए, मजा लीजिए इस ध्यान का, इस मेडिटेशन का. और जब आप तैयार हों तब आंखें खोल के, पानी पी के आप अपना वीडियो वापस शुरू कर सकते हैं. तब तक हम आपका इंतजार करेंगे. वी विल वेट टिल ईच वन ऑफ यू गेट्स अप and becomes afresh and refreshed. And if there is a glass of water near you, please have it and switch on your cameras. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Buddha blessings to you, Buddha blessings to me, Buddha blessings to everyone.
Thank you, Vidyutji. I went in deep sleep.
Thank
I'm
you.
actually recovering from throat infection.
Yeah,
I went in deep sleep actually.
lovely.
I can feel the healing.
Yes.
Uh, Can I continue sleeping after this? Because the medications also require to rest actually.
What, please, ma'am?
As I have taken the medication for throat infection,
Yeah.
I need to rest. So can I sleep after this session?
Yeah, as you feel comfortable, as you feel comfortable. And since you have already joined the workshop, if you want to disconnect now, you can disconnect also. Because now we will be telling them how the workshop will be conducted. Or it can go on playing, you close your eyes and lie down. Let it go on in the ears as you are comfortable.
So now one more healing is going to happen, is it?
No, I'm now going to tell about Lama Fera workshop.
Okay.
The meditation and the healing is over.
Okay.
Every Sunday we have it at 3 o'clock. Only today we had it because tomorrow is Independence Day. That's why.
Okay. Done.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you once again. I'll just listen.
Yeah,
I
you
would
can
like
just
to
listen. No problem.
Hmm.
Yeah, please. Our pleasure. Satyaji, we can't hear you.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, better.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
So any other feedback, sir? Any other feedback from any other person? How did you feel this wonderful meditation by Vidyutji? You can use the chat box. You can write in the chat box, or you can unmute and speak. आप चैट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं, या आपको कुछ भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा, कुछ भी आपने फील किया, यू फेल्ट समथिंग इन योरसेल्फ, यू कैन शेयर. Sharing is caring. But you're still enjoying it. Peaceful and positive. Yes, Devang Thakurji, please unmute कीजिए. Thank you so much, Devangji.
Atmanaman, full of gratitude. It was a very nice experience. Actually, I was traveling somewhere. I took a halt and I just felt it. That I'm feeling light, feeling blessed. Thank you so much. And I felt this vibration. It was really divine. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Devangji, for sharing this.
Thank you, sir. Very nice of you that you stopped in the way, because precaution is very important. Because majority of the times people go into a trance or a slight sleep. So we should not meet with any accident, unfortunately.
No, sir.
Please take care.
The best part of the meditation was your voice was so soothing that it guided us throughout the journey. Thank you for that.
Thank you, sir. Thanks being associated with Lama Fera.
Sure, sir.
Please stay on. We will just quickly give the details of how the workshop is conducted.
Sure, sir.
So we would like to increase our team of Lama Fera healers so that we can spread it far and wide.
For sure, sir. Yeah.
As Kuntal Shah is saying, it is very peaceful and positive.
Kuntal Shah, by the photo, I think is a young, handsome man. It's nice to see youngsters, because you all will be the torch bearers to continue this Lama Fera healing. Lovely to see young people. Please get your friends next time. You have also liked it, as you have mentioned. Lovely to see young people around here.
I think, sir, we can go ahead, and I think everyone is relaxing at this moment after this wonderful meditation. So we can go ahead and explain about Lama Fera. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. So basically, Lama Fera is a Buddhist healing technique created by Lord Buddha himself. It has been used since centuries. It is that powerful healing modality. It which 45 symbols of Shalvik Mantra Rahasya are created. Please listen carefully, with the vibrations of 4.5 lakh mantras, and which are then converted into 12 special symbols which are used by the healer. 6 symbols are taught at the healer level, and the next 6 are taught at the master teacher level. It is said to be the fastest energy based healing technique available or known on the planet today. No wonder each healing session does not take more than 20 minutes. Why is it considered the fastest and the most powerful technique? Because it involves calling upon Lord Buddha himself to come to heal his situation. His healing energy then flows through the healer to the person needing healing in Namafera. These 12 symbols have abundant power to treat the highest level of negative energies. Namafera is made up of 2 words which have their own identity and importance. Lama means follower who follows the policy of Buddha, making it part of his life from the core of his heart. It's a highly effective Buddhist healing technique of Tibetan lamas, which is used especially in eliminating dark forces, negative energies from the human bodies and houses, and even protecting you from enemies. It can also be used for the regular and normal healing. The second part of the name Fera means going around. Just as we have Shadi Mein Saat Fera, 7 Feras while we get married, especially the Hindus. A healing session is like a ritual. It is a no-touch therapy and the healer does not have to touch the body. That's why distant healings are possible. It involves the use of symbols. The healer helps to transfer Lord Buddha's energy to the patient to heal a particular illness or disease, or for that matter, any kind of problem in his life. It may also be used by non-Buddhists because remember, it is not a religious healing technique, it's a spiritual healing technique which is far above religions. It is non-religious. Some more benefits I will share with you quickly. It frees you from stress and depression. Nowadays, life is tough, especially after the last 1.5 to 2 years. I generally do not use the word of that disease because I don't want to add to the negativity. And you are also maybe caught in these pressures of life. They may be troubling you. Lama Fera can remove these negative thoughts and release you from these pressures. You will become calmer and much better equipped to handle life's challenges. It also helps to clear issues in health, wealth, property, business, career, finance, relationship, and others. Nowadays, many of us suffer from diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, back pain, or pain in any part of the body, allergies, and unfortunately, sometimes even chronic diseases. By this Lama Fera healing, you can get relief from all these issues and diseases. Experts regard Lama Fera healing therapy as the best one for patients who are at the last stage of their disease and there is no other hope left. But please, please, please remember that you have to continue with the regular medical treatment as advised by the doctors and specialists. Lama Fera is only a complementary and supplementary treatment. The normal medical treatment has to go on. We may have some karmic debts or ancestral karma, which is not letting us flourish in our current life. We are putting our best efforts, but the results are just not coming. Lama Fera helps you to come out of these karmic issues. Some people have scary and bad dreams. Many of us also have fears and phobias, unknown fears and phobias. It spoils our peace and happiness. Lama Fera is the best option to get rid of these fears and phobias. Lama Fera reduces the adverse effects. Nowadays, I'm getting many healing requirements for people who have been told that black magic has been done on them. It's very unfortunate, but now this Lama Fera can relieve you from such black magic, tantra mantra, psychic attacks, curses, jealousies, etc. Managing in this world and maintaining good relations is become very, very tough. Lama Fera will remove the negative energy surrounding the concerned people so that the relationship starts flourishing. Lama Fera helps to come out of negative thoughts, habit of doing tension the whole day. Many of us have the unfortunate bad habit of thinking only negative and just doing tension. We get disturbed by the smallest of issues, or we get hyper, angry, or irritated. Lama Fera helps us to become free of such negative thoughts. Many of us may have financial issues. We earn, but we cannot save a penny. Or we may be searching for a new job or for a change of job. Lama Fera will also help you in that. It will make you financially secure. And a big thing, Vastu. Many of us are advised to rectify the Vastu, but we are unable to break, repair, or demolish any part of the house or office or factory because we are currently in it, using it. Lama Fera helps to cure the Vastu defects without breaking a brick. So, in short, as long as we are alive, Lama Fera can cure all our problems, issues, and diseases so that we can have more fulfilling lives. So now, can any one of us ignore or not think of learning Lama Fera? So now, we will discuss how we conduct the Lama Fera healer level workshop. We will teach you 6 symbols in detail. Detailed explanation of each symbol will be given, the benefits of each, and the correct system to draw them. The symbols are the main heart, the main strong point of this healing. Each symbol helps in resolving some issue. Now, we use these symbols on the various chakras of our body in a predetermined sequence, that one by one, this symbol has to be drawn on this chakra. And the whole process does not take more than 20 minutes. And after completing the process and after doing healing daily for a few days, it can help us to solve or reduce a great deal our mental, physical, financial, emotional, spiritual, psychological, karmic, relationship based issues. Any issue that we may face because we are living on this earth. We will also teach you how to do the Dhai Fera and how to start the healing process. We will teach you how to do one-to-one personal healing, distant healing, healing from a photo, and also self-healing. You will also learn the method of black magic removal, negativity, and entity removal in the basic level itself. This workshop is for 21 days, which will be followed by a Siddhikaran and Shuddhikaran process, which is done to enhance and establish the healing powers which you have gained from Lord Buddha. You will finally then become Buddha's representative to spread his Lama Fera technique. We also give a detailed explanation about the Lama Fera kit. And once the workshop is over, there will be a distant attunement and a certificate will also be given to you all. After learning this, you will feel balance in your personal and professional life. Spiritual growth will also be there. You will be able to do Buddha's work, which will reward you in return multiple times over. You will see instant differences in your energy field and aura, and hence it will change your life and your life activities tremendously for much, much better prospects. Your existence will then become more meaningful for your own self, for your own soul, and for all those who are related to you, either as a friend or officially. Just for the knowledge, after the healer level, you can upgrade to the advanced master teacher level, which also I teach. And then after doing the master teacher level, you can teach others how to become Lama Fera healers. But let us think about that later. Let us start the Lama Fera journey by becoming a Lama Fera healer yourself. I always, whenever somebody calls to get healing done, I give the first option, the first preference, that if possible, the person should himself or herself become a healer, because that will give him a power for the entire lifetime, and they can use this power to heal all kinds of situations in their own lives or the lives of their near and dear ones. Only if they are unable to do this workshop for any reason, then only I do their healing. Our aim is not to just put billing of healing sessions. We would be much, much happier and grateful if you all become a healer yourselves. Then only this mission can be accomplished of at least one healer in every household. So I also do these healings across the world, but my first preference is always to make you a healer. Satyaji and Shrikantji will tell you about the packages which we have for the healer level course. And I request all of you with folded hands, please join this mission and let us do good to ourselves and our near and dear ones. Buddha blessings to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidyutji, for this wonderful teaching and sharing. So all of you who are interested in transforming your life, transforming your health, relationship, finances, or any other aspect of the life, you can join this program. The program of Lama Fera healer level workshop is starting from 19th of this month. So I'm just sharing one link in the chat box. Just a minute. Shrikantji, will you share this link or let me do the link? Shrikantji, are you both are sharing this? So you can go and click this button. It is InstaMojo/Lama Fera Healer Program. The original price of this program is 4,999 rupees. But since you are here in this afternoon, you are here in this workshop, so there's a workshop discount which has been given by Vidyutji. So it is 3,999. This is around 21 days plus another 21 days of purification process, as he mentioned, with a powerful initiation given by Vidyutji. And it's going to be a real transformation. We are getting a lot of case studies, a lot of testimonials of the students who have already done this program, and miracles are happening. So some of the students whose parents were actually practicing this Lama Fera symbol, the very powerful symbol. A person who was on the other room received healing for migraine. His migraine disappeared. And there are a lot of stories are there which we are receiving, as our case studies. People who are just talking to us and talking to even Vidyutji, I have experienced a lot of healing changes and transformations, and they are on the pathways of becoming the student. So I request you, if you have any questions, this is the format, this is the venue in which you can raise the question, you can ask questions about this. And I would request you, follow your heart, follow your intuition, go in this link, and you can pay using this link. Also, you can pay, also enroll by Google Pay, Paytm, or PhonePe. And if you pay using that, please send us a screenshot. We are sharing 2 numbers continuously. So these 2 numbers, you can share your details on any of the numbers. So And if you have any question, we are going to more than willing to help you in answering all the questions. We are just one call away. We are also giving you the numbers for just in case you just keep it copy pasted in your. There are three numbers I have shared. My number is there, Vidutji's number there, and Shrikantji's number is there. We will be more than willing to help you. Yeah, also Shrikantji has shared these numbers, so you can go ahead and ask us any questions. And this is the forum. This is open at the moment. Please go ahead, and if you have any questions related to anything, please unmute yourself and speak, or you can use the chat box even for the questions.
Yeah,
Anyone?
just one more thing in between. Sorry, Satyaji.
Yeah, no issues, sir.
In case 4,000 is not possible to be paid in the beginning, we will work out a plan for you which is comfortable for you. Money should not be the reason of you not entering this noble deed. You can message any one of us. We will work out a plan for you. Please don't postpone it just because you are not able to, or you have other commitments because of which you can't pay this 4,000. Please contact any one of us personally and we will do our best. Join this mission, and as I have done with my other batches, previous ones, they have entered with paying a small amount, and I have told them that if they do it sincerely, Lord Buddha will help them. And in 90% cases, they have got the money from somewhere unexpectedly, and they have been able to pay the full amount. In some cases, even 5,000 where this discount was not given. It is miraculous, and my life is changing miraculously from the time I have entered Lama Fera fold. And all thanks to Lord Buddha. And I would love all of you to start getting miracles in your life by this small workshop.
Thank you, Vidutji, for this wonderful sharing. Even every day we are getting so much blessings and so much transformations. We are able to know so many subtle changes in our life because of our connection with Lama Fera, because of our connection with Lord Buddha. So I request all of you, please have a look at it. Go to this InstaMojo website, look at the things, enroll yourself for the program. And as Vidutji said, if you have any issues financially, just get in touch with us. We will, as guided, try to help you our level best. And if you have any other questions related to Lama Fera or any other healing modality, you're worried about some issues, you can also separately inbox us. That's also sure. You don't want to share in this forum, that's also fine. हमारा number आप save कर लीजिए. Please get back to us with your questions, and we will get back to you at the earliest. So also I request all of you to please share your mobile numbers and name in the chat box so that we can keep it in our database and all. So if you can go ahead and do it, and any other questions, please feel free to ask over here. Kuntalji, just share your mobile number also if possible. Yes, somebody wants to speak anything? Kedarnathji, want to speak anything? Thank you, Kuntalji.
How about Lama Fera kit, Satyaji?
Vidutji, were you able to answer that?
Yeah. Lama Fera kit is costing, the rate changes from time to time. These are not fixed rates, but currently the Lama Fera kit is around 5,000 rupees, which will have that healing rod, the 4 earth sticks, the Bodhi Mala, the gown, the Buddhist kind of gown, and there will be a yantra wherein we will have Lord Buddha. But it is not compulsory or 100% must for those who want to do it for their own use or for their friends and relatives on a personal level. But yes, if you're taking it up professionally, then the kit should be purchased for better results.
Okay, this workshop that I'm doing with you, on learning this, will I not require Lama Fera kit?
what is your plan, ma'am? After learning, you want to heal others as a profession, or you're doing it just to get this power?
I'm willing to get myself healed first, and
Yeah.
my family members, my friends, and gradually, plan of healing.
Yes, ma'am. When you reach that stage, see, we always say that when you're healing anybody, whether it's your family or friend, there has to be an energy exchange. You should charge them. Otherwise, there will be a karmic burden on them of getting something free from you. And if you start collecting money, you will have much more money, for which you can easily spend 5,000 to get the kit. You will be flooded with wealth.
Okay. So, do I for self healing also, is that kit required?
No, I will teach you how to do self healing without the kit. I will
Okay.
tell that in the workshop, during the workshop. It is
And
not compulsory.
Mhm. And for all the contents that we will covered in this workshop, will I require Lama Para kit?
I couldn't get you, ma'am. What?
The complete syllabus of Lama Para that we have,
Hmm.
is Lama Para kit required on completion of that or during the process?
No, it is not required. That is what we will teach with the kit for people who want to take it up professionally. But how to do your own healing without a kit on a personal level, we will teach that separately.
Okay.
It
So,
is not compulsory to complete this workshop.
okay. So, this is on which level, Vidyutji? Is there anything
We are
like
doing the healer level now.
okay.
After this, there is a master teacher level, which I will take. The calling has not yet come for the date when I should start it. And after this, they say that there is a grand master level, which is not still allowed to be done online. It has to be face to face. And when the last rate I had asked, it is around 50,000 for the grand master level. So I have also not done that till now. Let us see how Buddha guides us.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the information, Vidyutji.
Abhinaji, you have taken up a journey which you are going to enjoy thoroughly. I have so many students who, as Satyaji also said, around the 6th to 10th day, while learning, while they are in this workshop, the
Mhm.
stuck things have started opening up. One person searching for a job for 1.5 years got the information that the call letter is going to come. One person who had issues with his girlfriend, suddenly she called up out of the blue. As Satyaji said, one youngster, one son had migraine just because his mother was practicing the symbols, drawing them. He said, I don't know, mom, what happened, but my migraine has disappeared.
Okay,
There
I
is
will
another,
share my
yeah,
experience with you, Ji. Just
yeah.
1 month back, I joined an organization, and some things were going up and down.
Mm.
And the day when I last time attended, I think it was on Sunday itself, Sunday at 3
Yeah,
p.m. And
yeah,
it is true that at that point of time, it was also, cold throat infection and all, which although I still have, I had a very great feeling of being in trance. And now that I have resigned from this organization and I was struggling to get an offer, I have also got an offer. The only matter is I'm just waiting for them to confirm regarding the laptop related matter, as they don't have any such provision of providing laptop. So I am waiting for their confirmation that I will be arranging a rental laptop, and they need to confirm on that. Why I'm telling this story is, of course, there has been a lot of improvement as such. Uh, I sometimes lack decision making or clarity, and sometimes I feel whether I have any black magic or my family members have any black magic done unknowingly. or is it some kind of psychic attack that I face sometimes? That I lose my control to that extent. So losing control in the sense I don't react, okay, but I become so much emotional sometimes. Although being a healer, I have stopped healing, uh, and I have been taking healing since some time, since few months. But yes, this has given me a lot of improvement is what I can say. Thank you, Vidyutji.
Thank you, ma'am. I can feel the fear, the pain in your voice. Believe me, by the time this workshop is over, your voice will also sound cheerful. And please become used to getting miracles in life. Sometimes we are not ready for the miracles. We think that, oh, how it can happen to us. Please be prepared. Things will just miraculously solve.
Okay.
Actually,
Done.
Binaji, I just wanted to share something. One of our person who was regularly attending our this workshop, she even got caught up in some very strange issues. And I think yesterday Vidyutji had a word with her and she was too excited about the thing which she's getting just from this. Now imagine what can happen when you are doing the Lama Fira workshop thyself. So it's like huge Buddha blessings, enlightenment power of the Buddha, Lord himself, his soul power, the higher symbols, which are actually, and I think he mentioned that these symbols are composed of so many lakhs of symbols together. And so it is like something huge energy field which has been created. So it's definitely, it's going to, we hope, we anticipate it is going to create a huge impact and transformation in your life. It may be beyond comprehension. That's why we are expecting. We are getting stories every time. We have a separate group in which Vidyutji shares this information and looks so wonderful that a lot of transformations are taking place. That is what we require at the moment. Thank you so much for your sharing too.
Thank you, Vidyutji. Thank you, Satyaji. Thank you,
Yeah.
Shrikant.
Thank you so much.
And it was really awakening for the calls as well to enroll. Normally, I miss out the WhatsApp messages many of the times due to bulk messages. And thank you for the reminder call and being, kind enough during enrolling for the workshop.
And it is, we are being asked by Buddha to get you inside Lama Fera. So we are just following his instructions. Something big is waiting for you, for yourself, and you will be doing something big for others. We just follow our calling of what Buddha guides.
Sure.
Vidyutji, there is a question from Kuntalji. Sorry, he's saying, is it a breathing-based workshop? Is it flexible during hectic office hour? I think you should
Please,
answer.
actually, every day we will put content on the chat in which, after paying, we will add you in a group. You don't have to be live for that content. You can refer to it whenever you get time. And it should take around 5 to 10 minutes every day. And only when we teach you how to draw symbols for your own good, for the power of the healing, you have to practice symbols at your own pace. So there is no time commitment that between this time to this time you have to be live or you have to complete something within that schedule. But if you follow daily content on a daily basis, 21 days you will become very adept at healing. And another 21 days for the Shuddhikaran and Siddhikaran process. If somebody has doubts, we can have once a week live Zoom session to clarify doubts. But as I said in the beginning, I think this is, we have just started yesterday, the 7th or the 8th batch. Not one person has asked for doubt clearing. And anyway, I'm always available. Satyaji, Shrikantji is there. I'm just a phone call away.
So,
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kedarnath, please.
This is Kedarnath Chatterjee from Kolkata.
Yes,
Sir, I am also a pranic healer, frankly speaking too. But my experience is very up. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Very much, sir.
Yes, I am a pranic healer and I am from Kolkata.
Yes, sir.
I have joined a pranic healing session with a very eagerness to learn something in healing. Actually,
Yeah.
it was my eagerness because I have heard about healing, but I had no idea about healing. I have learned it. But I expect at least one thing from you. That is,
Tell me.
so long I am interested in learning something, you will help me. So long you have knowledge on the subject. You assure me this much. Nothing else I require.
Sir, we will be there at every step of your learning.
Thank you.
Every day you can call me number of times for clarification on any topic of that day.
Thank you.
We want people like you, sir, who are already healers, who have that heart to spread this far. So you would become an asset for the Lama Phera movement.
I'm interested in learning Lama Phera healing since last few years, but I was not getting any right person. I think this time Bhagavad Buddha has helped me by connecting with you. Thank you.
So Kedarnath ji,
Thank you,
please,
thank
I
you,
request you
thank
to
you, Lord.
share your number with the in the chat box.
Sir, I don't know what is called chat box. I am 67 years old.
Wonderful.
I have no idea about all these things.
So, sir, tell me your number. We are going to write it down here, and we are going to send
Amma,
it.
you have given me message in my mobile 9831
Okay.
712583.
71.
I am interested in learning. You teach me whatever you know. I will accept it.
So, sir, I'm going to repeat it: 9831712583.
Right. Kedarnath Chatterjee.
Kedarnath.
I am willing to learn everything about this healing process.
Yeah.
I have already interested in healing. I have done Siddh Yoga Sadhana. I am practicing Siddh Yoga Sadhana from Avadhu Sivanandaji. I wish to know a lot. I wish to know the subject actually, because I feel that I can also give something to the society. And frankly speaking, too, I practice healing or pranic healing, and I give healing to the needy without charging anything. Frankly speaking, to you.
Sir, I would interrupt in this. We have been taught to charge something because there is always a give and a take. So if in case it's just a nominal amount, either in cash or kind, or you collect the money, if you don't need that money, donate it somewhere else.
No, sir.
But
My
please,
requirement is there. I do not charge because
but then please charge, sir. There is no embarrassment. So see, we have been born in this world. We have certain commitments. So we have to fulfill that. We are failing in our commitment towards our family.
I have requirement of money, but I can't feel my money. I can ask for money to someone for doing
Why,
some
sir?
job.
So it is.
May I just interrupt in between,
Yeah.
sir? Kedarnath ji, just think like a doctor. So when you go to doctor and doctor is giving you a time,
I pay to the doctor. I have to pay to the doctor, right?
Yes. So it's like that. If somebody is coming to you, you are giving him the time, the most. As Vidyut ji always say, time is the most precious thing. आज आप लोग सब यहाँ पे आए हैं, अपना टाइम लेके आए, बहुत बड़ा चीज आपने दिया है आज इस चीज के लिए.
I generally never communicate to someone that I am a healer, but I listen to their problem, and I told them that I say them that I will pray to the Lord. Oh God, I will pray to the God, and I give them healing. Frankly speaking, too, and I have luckily I can clear it with you that recently a guy from our locality who is a corona patient, and his wife came to me, requested me for some money, providing me some money for his treatment, for his husband's treatment. So I told him that this process, mane pucha, what is the condition, everything I know. I told him that I will pray for the Lord, to the Lord. This was I told, and nothing else. And then I gave him healing. And luckily on the third day, he has been released from the hospital.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Sir,
third day he has been released from the hospital. First, on the second day, he has been removed from the ICU to the general section. And for the third day, he has been released from the hospital. And he is now okay. But I never told anybody that I am a healer. This is the way practice.
So that you join Lama Phera, sir, Buddha will make people aware that you are such a good healer. You don't have to say, they will themselves come to know.
ये हमारा मतलब क्या satisfaction है. अगर आप हम किसी को लिए कुछ कर सकता है, it is a satisfaction on my heart. Frankly speaking.
Vidyut, we have another question for Devang. He has raised the hand.
Devang Thakur.
Namaskar. Sorry, I now don't have a question, but I was just have a point to talk and share with Kedarnath ji. I'm happy that he's my brother sharing the same passion. I'm also a pranic healer. I've done till crystal healing and psychotherapy. But sir, our master Sui has also mentioned tithing, and tithing means energy exchange. So you have to have that energy exchange because that is a part very much important because you have to balance things.
Right,
So
right.
according to the energy balances, we have to charge them energy exchange. We can take that energy exchange and we can even donate it. But that is our will. But we have to do that energy exchange. That was just one point I just wanted to highlight.
I feel that if I do some good thing, good job for someone, God will give me the what I require, everything. And हमारा credit में जाएगा, God will consider everything. Yeah? Why I should charge anything? If I can have
Sir,
my meal.
excuse me. Excuse me.
I'll just
Yeah,
one
आप
point.
बोलिए, देवांग जी, आप बोलिए, हाँ.
One point I'll just tell you. सर हम लोग पेड़ क्यों लगाते हैं?
हाँ?
वो हम पेड़ क्यों लगाते हैं? वो गॉड भी लगा सकते हैं ना. हम क्यों लगा रहे हैं पेड़? Because that is what we do in return. When some energy exchange is being done, it is nothing. Forget about it is being money. आप उसको धन के हिसाब से मत देखिए. It is about a gratitude exchange. What happens if when we are talking to God?
सर आप ठीक है, आप बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं.
does-
मैंने हमारा एक रिप्लाई सुन लीजिए.
हाँ, सर.
आप मैंने कभी एक सरकारी संगठन में, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में उच्च पोस्ट में काम किया है. ठीक है, उच्च पोस्ट में मैं काम किया था. तो आई हैव हेल्प लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल. जनरल मतलब बहुत पुअर फैमिली. आई हैव हेल्प द लॉट ऑफ पीपल. एंड जनरली व्हाट आई सी, generally officers, government officers take money for doing some favor to someone. Okay, and I think I never done it. Thousands of people have got government employment through me. Thousands. I can actually ये हमें बोलना नहीं चाहिए, मैं आज डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ.
Very good, sir. You are a very nice soul. You are a very nice soul.
Thousands of people got employment through me in a central government organization. I never taken a single cup of tea from anyone. I never took. Even there are some requests from me, but one thing, I have always followed principle. I have never cheated anybody in selection, never. Because it was my thought that what should I do with this money? If I take this money, what should I do? This will give me nothing. हमारा अपलिफ्टमेंट में, हमारा जो सोल का अपलिफ्टमेंट में कोई काम में नहीं आएगा. So what is I don't have a car of my own. Do you believe I don't have a good house of my own? Do you believe? I worked thousands of people got employment through me in central government organization. Thousands of people.
Then I just suggest one thing, that when you give anybody healing, ask that person to either to feed the cows, the crows, the dogs, and ask them to do energy exchange in that way by doing some good karma. Okay, sir.
Pardon.
You can ask the person whom you are giving the healing कि भाई मैं आपको healing दे रहा हूँ, मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे energy exchange नहीं चाहिए, आप किसी गाय को खिला देना, किसी बच्चे को बिस्किट खिला देना, किसी कुत्ते को दूध खिला देना. Ask them to do that.
Just a minute. मैं जिस आदमी को हीलिंग देता हूँ, वो इतना पू हो रहा है, इतना ऑर्डिनरी पीपल है, वो सब समझेगा ही नहीं कि energy exchange क्या होता है.
Kedarji, I think absolutely fine. All of you are very absolutely fine. Actually, follow your heart. That is the most important thing. आप जिस तरह से चल रहे हैं, it's a very good. There are so many people who are trying to help. This is absolutely
Sir,
your
only
choice.
one request: teach me.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Definitely.
So long you can teach me.
Yes, you will learn a lot.
हम आए लाइफ पता की है, मैं लाइफ पर्पस है, हो सकता है ये लाइफ पर्पस ये कि अच्छा फीलिंग्स होता है जब किसी के लिए कुछ किया जाता है, किसी लोग सफर करते हैं, उसको कुछ हेल्प कर सकता है, अच्छा फीलिंग्स आता है मन में. सच बता रहा हूँ. हाँ, उसको you can purchase it by money. Frankly speaking.
Superb to hear and superb to just meet and hear a person like you. Thank you so much for sharing your viewpoints, sir. Any other questions, sir, here?
No, I've got no question now. My only request: teach us.
You will get.
So far, you can give it.
Absolutely, you are entering into a field. There are so many people who are going to be always at your help. And Vidhu sir is there absolutely to guide you anytime. Whatever your questions will be, you can always ask. He's just one phone call and one WhatsApp away. We all are like that. So you can speak even to Bangla with me. I know very nice Bangla, so I can help you in Bengali also.
Wow,
I know.
fine.
So I'm from I'm born in Delhi, but I'm a Bengali. So
আচ্ছা
আপনি
আচ্ছা
আমার সাথে
মিস্টার সত্য
বাংলাতেও কথা
দত্ত
বলতে পারেন। হ্যাঁ, আমি
হ্যাঁ,
দত্ত।
আমার মনে হলো আপনার টাইটটা সত্য
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ,
নামটা শুনে আমার
exactly.
বাবার নামও ছিল সত্যেন্দ্রনাথ চ্যাটার্জি।
Yes, yes.
My
So
father name is Satyendranath Chatterjee.
yes.
I
So
was
you
thinking
can
whether
bother
you
you can bother me anytime. That is not a problem. So this will be very nice interaction to know another soul like you, sir. And thank you so much for your sharing, sir.
Thank you.
There's some new people who have joined. I think Hansraj ji, I think you're a little late. We are about to wind up our program. So if any questions related that, you can still ask. We are open to it, sir.
I need this is Bina again. I
हाँ,
need
Bina
a
ji बताइए।
WhatsApp message regarding the Lama Pera kit details, which
I'll send
Vidhu
it. Yeah, I will send it, man. I'll send it to you, man.
Yeah, one
Tomorrow
more
I will
thing I wanted to add up Vidutji about the Lama Fira kit because it has a wand which Vidutji mentions. It's a very powerful wand, basically. So it's absolutely going to be amazing help for you when you're proceeding. But Vidutji always suggests to people who are joining new that it is not required at this level, but if you can use it, is like creating very high level voltage for you, that wand. So if you're giving like some, it is going to create some X which Vidutji will able to guide further on that part.
Yeah. So I also believe, although there are so many modalities, I have got used to many modalities, but I also believe that it also depends on the healer or the master healer, whoever is providing it. So, I'm really glad. And I also would like to apologize that once I believe there was a post in my group and I removed from my group because promotions are not allowed. So I apologize for that. Yeah. So
I don't remember also, man. It's okay, cool.
please don't refer to me as ma'am. I'm a very simple person. Please refer to me as Bina. Thank
Okay,
you.
Bina ji. Yeah.
So any other person, any question? Chandrasekhar ji, Rakesh ji, Kedarnath ji already has spoken, and Sarnik ji. We had a very nice interaction with Devang Thakur ji, so enlightened soul himself, so much sharing for these things. Really nice talking to you, Devang ji, about your interaction with Kedar ji. Akash, thank you so much. Akash ji, any question? Akash ji just was connecting us very late, but anyway, we will see that. Hansraj ji, any question at the moment? Kuntal Shah ji, any question? Please, you can. You have already. Please keep mentioning your phone numbers, all of you, in the chat box, so that we can get you directly and we can interact with you. Just keep your name and phone number, and you also write down. Shrikantji, please share our phone number just once more, and then we will wind up the whole process. What we're doing. Thank you so much, Kuntalji. Thank you. So, Vidutji, we will then call it a day. Thank you so much, Vidutji, for being here and for guiding us into this wonderful program. Thank you all that you had listened to their soul. Thank you, Shrikantji. Thank you, Sachinji. There is another team member of us who also helps others to get linked together. And we all thank together Lord Buddha. May Lord Buddha bless all of you, bless us for this mission and journey, so that we can help and transform ourselves, our family first, and then we can transform as many people as possible. And wonderful takeaway today from Kedarnath ji for being over here, for this wonderful soul who has been here and who is guiding so many people, and all of you, in fact, all of you who are doing such a great work in your life.
Just one second,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
Those who have attended today's webinar, you can pay this discounted amount till one day before the date of the workshop starts.
Yeah, the workshops is starting at 19th of August. So till 18th of August, this window is open for all of you. Then I think the price jump will take place. Yes, what is the last day for discounting? Shanik ji, that is 18th of August. So you can make the thing. Any further issue on financial fund, please get back to us. Please get back to Vidut ji, and please share your concern. We will make sure that if you keep your spiritual courtesy and decorum together, the Buddha will guide definitely on the financial front. 18th of August is the last date of the payment. we are really looking forward to you to be part of this 19th August program. It is going to be a wonderful program, life transforming, and I am sure that through you, a lot of life will be transformed in the future. So thank you so much for being here, and Lord Buddha bless us all. Thank you, Vidyaji. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shrikandi. Thank you, Sachin. Thank you. Really love and honor.